What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress team. In today's video, we're gonna be unboxing the Asus ZenFone Max Shot. This is a cost-effective phone from Asus. It has 3 cameras, one with 12 MB, one with 5 and one with 8. It normally has 32 GB on the memory, but this model specifically has 64 and has these 2 versions. It is running the Android Oreo version and has 4000 mAh from the battery. Has a RAM memory from 3 GB and the Qualcomm Snapdragon SiP 1, and the front camera has 8 megapixels. It's a very good phone from 2019, the middle of 2019. It's a cost-effective. It was very good with this LED flash and the good front camera on Indian and on Brazil market. You still can find it on Amazon. It's located on the United States, and as you can review, the price is really attractive. I purchased this for my father because it's almost a mobile breaker and it's really durable. It's getting the work hard. So I do recommend this for people that does not care about much style, does not need some iPhones. It has some nice camera. It's fast, not that fast after some months of use, but it is still fast. The camera does a good job, but nothing phenomenal. And the battery time, it's almost a day. A day with a hard use can be beaten with no problem. It has the other part that comes with it. It has the charger, the phone, the headphones, the manual. It has 4 colors that you can choose. I got this one that I can combine with my father. It has a 6.26 inch screen. It's a full HD screen, so the screen is good. And it works well on the sun. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any questions. And don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio for amazing WordPress themes. And I'll see you later. All the best!